Hey guys, it's me again. Today we're going to be replacing this old wooden garage door. I do not know what kind it is, but it's heavier than I remember it, probably because it's wood and there's water in the bottom. I'm giving it its last run here. You kind of want. So yeah, this is an extremely heavy door here. There we go. So I'll show you what it looks like on the outside here. Alright, so here it is from the outside. It is pretty old wood. It's paint's kind of peeling off. Right down here we have that hole. This little lock handles down here. But we are going to be replacing this door today. Come on. So with these right here, these are ideal, no, not ideal, CHI doors, flush panel, they're brown. These are the plain windows, and they're insulated. So here's all the stuff for it. So yeah, so we're gonna be replacing this door today with the CHI, and here we have this window. Sometime they're gonna be pulling this out and putting another door in there. So yeah, but so yeah.